This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, February 13th. Stock index futures coming under some pressure today as it appears that the coronavirus situation taking a turn for the worse in China with the numbers elevated there. So pressure in the indices on that news. However, I still believe that in this quarter that we will see higher prices, and these declines that we're seeing today will only be temporary. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index a little bit higher, and I still believe that further gains are likely as interest rate differential expectations still remain favorable to the dollar index. And it appears that the U.S. economy, although likely to be somewhat slower, the economies elsewhere in the world are likely to be even slower. So from an interest rate point of view, that is supportive to the dollar index relative to economies and currencies elsewhere in the world. So further gains for the dollar index, I believe, are likely. And once again, this is a minority opinion. Most analysts do not like this, but I think the dollar is good. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, some flight to quality buying coming in. Right now, the probability of a rate cut from the Fed at the September meeting moving up to 69%. Yesterday, it was at the 66% level. So it does appear that the Fed will be easing credit. Other central banks, I think, are likely to be more accommodative as well. Also in the precious metals, good gains today in both gold and silver. And I think that we are on the verge of a breakout to the upside. There are some downtrend lines that come in both gold and the silver. So I'm predicting that there will be a move higher. In fact, even the gold gapped higher today. So I'm looking for higher in the precious metals, and I think this is a trend that is likely to be a long-term move. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.